Are you trying to decide between Looker and Power BI? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a comparison of these two popular data visualization tools. Both Looker and Power BI help businesses make sense of their data. They allow users to create reports, dashboards, and visualizations. But how do they stack up against each other? Let's start with Looker. Looker is known for its powerful data modeling capabilities. It uses a unique language called LookML to help users define metrics and dimensions. This makes it great for teams that need deep data insights. Looker is also cloud based, which means you can access your data from anywhere. Now, let's talk about Power BI. Power BI is part of the Microsoft family. It's user friendly and integrates well with other Microsoft products. This makes it a favorite for businesses already using tools like Excel or Azure. Power BI offers a wide range of visualizations and is great for quick reports. So, what are the main differences? Looker is more focused on data modeling and exploration, while Power BI shines in ease of use and integration with Microsoft tools. If you need complex data analysis, Looker might be your best bet. But if you want something simple and effective, Power BI could be the way to go. When it comes to features, Looker excels in data governance and customization. Power BI, on the other hand, offers a rich set of templates and an intuitive interface. This makes creating reports faster and easier. In terms of pricing, Looker is often seen as more expensive, especially for larger teams. Power BI tends to be more budget friendly, making it accessible for smaller businesses. So, which one should you choose? If you need deep insights and have a data savvy team, go for Looker. But if you want something straightforward and cost effective, Power BI is the better choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.